Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to integrate ClickUp and Notion so you can keep your projects and notes perfectly in sync. We'll cover direct connections, automated syncing, and embedding. Let's jump in. Step 1. Direct native integration. First, let's look at the native connection in ClickUp 4.0. This is best for searching and previewing data between apps. In ClickUp, open the App Center, search for Notion, and hit Connect. Choose between a personal or workspace connection and authorize it. You can now use Command+K to create Notion pages directly from ClickUp. In Notion, go to Settings and Members, then My Connections. Find ClickUp and click Connect. Now, whenever you paste a ClickUp task link into Notion, just select Paste as Preview to see live synced details. Step 2. Automated syncing, deep data sync. If you need tasks to be created automatically when something changes, you'll want an automation tool. For two-way sync, use Unido. This is the best way to ensure that if you update a task in ClickUp, the corresponding page in Notion updates automatically, and vice versa. For only one-way workflows, use Zapier or Make.com. Simply set a trigger like New Task in ClickUp, choose an action like Create Database Item in Notion, and map your fields like titles and due dates to keep everything accurate. Finally, if you just want to see your entire ClickUp board inside a Notion page, 1. In ClickUp, go to your desired view and click Sharing and Permissions. 2. Enable the public link and copy it. 3. Paste that link into Notion and select Create Embed. Now you can view your whole project board without leaving Notion. And that's it. 3 ways to bridge the gap between your tasks and your notes. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.